Hi, this is Shilpa. So, for this new year, that is 2026, I would like to wish you each and everyone happy new year. So, now with this new year, I have started something new, and that is I have started I can say something I wanted to contribute to language. So, that is Kannada. And most of us need, like, whenever we want to learn something new, many times we don't find any opportunity or any support. So I found that the same thing happens with people who want to learn any language. So I believe many people in Bangalore who comes from other states would like to learn language, but they don't have any better opportunity, or they don't have time or something like that. So for such people, I would like to help little bit. So I'm saying I'm not a proper Kannada teacher, so I'll not be giving any language classes and all. But yes, in day-to-day activities, whatever things you need, so those kind of things will be covering in small videos or reels. So the reason for starting this is I know what is the pain, because once upon a time I was a outsider in some other country. So I was in Germany for almost 4 years, and there I realized how important it is to know the local language. So when we were in Germany, the initial first year was very, very pathetic. I couldn't go out of the house, or I couldn't travel in the bus alone, because everybody speaks German, and even if they know English, they, like most of the people, they don't respond. And their official language is also German, and any job application also needs fluency in German. So during that time, I understood what is the importance of local language, and after that, I started learning German, and almost for 1 year, I learned German. After that, I got a chance to know the people there, culture there, and even job also I got after completion of my German language only. So now what I understood there is, like, any class we can do it, like we learn properly reading, writing, but what important is how to speak. So the speaking skills comes only when we practice it. And there I used to go to some tandem classes. So tandem is like you'll be having some speaking partner where you will be talking about some topic, and they will help you in one language, or like both of you can learn with common language. So you'll get an opportunity. But here I what I see is, it's not that you are getting an opportunity here, but if you are willing to talk, then definitely people will support you. So that's why I have kept the name of my page itself as the journey from Kannada gottilla to Kannada kalitidini. So the moment when we say that the other person is trying something, definitely the person in front of the us will definitely help us to understand. He will understand us better. So that's why the name of the page is Kannada Kalita Idini. So we have I have many colleagues who are not from Karnataka. They want to learn Kannada, and this is what we taught them. Like, instead of saying Kannada gottilla, we just say Kannada Kalita Idini. So that is one step ahead you're going. And I know it's not mandatory to learn Kannada, but yes, if you, there is nothing wrong in learning a language, new language. So you will have different exposure to different cultures. So not only Kannada, one should know as many languages as possible, because we all have ability to learn things. And if something, if by learning something, if your life is becoming simpler, I would say that we should take a little step towards that and do it. So to start with this, today first thing we'll learn is Kannada Kalita Idini. So Kannada Kalita Idini means I am learning Kannada. So I'll be saying this in Kannada, English, Hindi, and Marathi. So for the people who are comfortable in only Hindi or Marathi, they also can learn Kannada. Or the other way also, like if you want to learn English, you also by following this reels or this content, you will understand. So the very first thing is Kannada Kalita Idini. So in Hindi we call it as um, कनाडा सीख रहा हूँ. सो इन कनाडा देर इज़ नो लाइक हिंदी जैसे हम बोलते हैं रहा हूँ, रही, सीख रहा हूँ, सीख रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. वी जनरली से कन्नडा कलिता इदिनी. सो इन मराठी वी से मी कन्नडा शिकत आहे. So that means I am learning Kannada. So this is for the first lesson. And one more thing is like this is a new year, so you can wish someone in Kannada ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. That means wish you happy new year. So ಹೊಸ is new, varshada is year, hardika is as it is there in the other language also, and shubhashayagalu is wishes. So it's like a new a very great wishes to the new year. So that's why we say ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I hope you like this. I'll try to keep these content as short as possible, so that we can it'll be easier for everyone to follow. Thank you.